Well, I'm really delighted today because it's a very important day for me personally that the government of India has, Ministry of Urban Development has decided that in Delhi all the battery operated rickshaws will be registered. This is something very close to my heart for the simple reason that when I was Minister for Science and Technology way back in 2004, at that time I had a dream. And the dream was that our poor rickshawalas who carry so much weight and have to paddle, and in the process they breathe in a lot of pollution in Delhi, which sort of settles in their chest, and a lot of them ultimately get afflicted with tuberculosis, and it's impossible for them to take care of themselves. So I had a dream that most rickshaws, almost all rickshaws, should be actually battery operated. That was the seed, that was the idea which seeded the growth of these battery operated rickshaws. In fact, we developed the technology in CSIR, and that technology was then offered without an exclusive license to anybody who wanted to manufacture. So a lot of manufacturers have come up, and those rickshaws are being plied today in Delhi. And I'm very happy that a large number of rickshaws are found not just in my constituency but all over Delhi. But of course, all rickshaws should actually ultimately be operated by battery, because that will take care of pollution and that take care of TB amongst rickshawalas. But now the issue of registration has come. I'm sure that a lot of rickshawalas who run battery operated rickshaws don't know how to get themselves registered or their rickshaws registered. So I'll be really looking into this issue personally and make sure that they are registered without any problem. And that's something that's very close to my heart.